Dr. Devin. Come on in. We're talking about the letter G this week, and these two golden little game changers are gonna blow you away and guaranteed change your life the second you get them started. Come on in, let's get started. Hey guys, it's Dr. Devin. Come on in here. This week, we're gonna go get it. I'm ramped up, I'm excited. I had no idea how many things I loved in the letter G. Now I've narrowed it down to 2 this week because we're fresh off the heels last week of the letter E, where we talked about energy and enthusiasm. If you remember, if you were with me, we paired up D and F because we were talking about dreaming and how you had to face your fears. So that made last week our E. And for those of you that have not been here at all, the 1st of July, I decided to take one letter each week and marry it with a concept that has helped me ramp up the health and happiness in my life. Things that have helped me as a parent, things that have helped me, just personally or professionally. Now this week, this category, these 2, guys, I had a tough time, but I stuck it down into 2 categories. Are you ready? Are you excited? All right, it's greens and it's gratitudes, and I believe that if you added a daily dose of greens and gratitudes, your physical health, your mental clarity, your emotional well-being, and your spiritual connectedness would be better. Are you ready? Because I'm going to give you my favorites in each one of these categories. So let's start out in the greens. Number 1, I want to talk to you about green smoothies. This was a total game changer for me. Back in high school, my mom and I started making these. You can take handfuls of spinach or kale. You can pack in the celery, apples, mix it up with some berry. There's all different kinds of recipe. I'm going to share a few of my favorite that I can get my kids to go for. And it's a great way, really easy. You can prepare it the night before or the morning of. Kids love making this with you. It's much better to reach for something like this rather than cereal. It's quick, it's easy, and it really gets you going. If you aren't a smoothie person, another option, number 2, is going to be green juice. I love juice. Now, I don't love the mess of making my own juice, so I love, love, love. In Wichita, we have 2 awesome spots, 86 Cold Press and Songbird Juice. They both have a variety of amazing, I've never had one of their green juices that I didn't love. Little side note, if you get a green juice there, get a shot of wheatgrass, another little greener that I love. And it's a really easy way to plug in and get connected with those healthy, vibrant foods. Now, number 3 in the greens category, I call it my Hulk juice. So I get liquid chlorophyll and I put my little dropper in. I do this throughout the week. Back when I was pregnant and in my postpartum, I did it almost daily. I love chlorophyll. It's got a number of benefits. I'm going to tag that article down there so you can check it out along with my favorite brand, which is Chloro Oxygen. I prefer the unflavored kind. I'm not a big fan of the mint, but that's just me. And then you've got to watch it because it will stain your fingers, clothes, so don't get that. It is very, very green. So don't spill your chlorophyll because it doesn't come out very good. Now, another person in my number 4 in the greens category, another person that puts out some really great green goodness is Dr. Axe. So I'm also going to put my top 3 Dr. Axe green goodies that you can just add into your blender or shake and take. Dr. Green, I mean, you're kind of Dr. Green, Dr. Axe, but Dr. Axe has put together a number of different products that we can make very, very simple in our day-to-day life and pack those nutrients in. I love that guy. He is on a total mission, and if you have not read any of his material or heard his stories, go do it. I'm going to tag that down there in the bio of this as well. Now, number 5 is matcha. Everybody asks me, what do you do for caffeine? I love matcha, 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 matcha. It's very green as well. And it's a different kind of caffeine. I think it's more sustainable. It's not as super high. It's definitely not shaky. They have it everywhere now. This is my Rebel Matcha Latte. I love, love, love this. You can get this at any health food store. Starbucks has matcha now. I mean, it's everywhere. You can make it at home for yourself. So those are my top 5 in the green. And then gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. Just sprinkle that everywhere you go. And life's just better. Life is just better through a grateful heart. You open up that throat chakra. The color is green, so I don't think there's any mistake that I tied these 2 together. If you want to drop yourself into a place of gratitude, you drink green, you eat green, you wear green, and then you just emit that green heart chakra glowing energy. And then another ritual that I've implemented that's really, really easy, and quite frankly, no one has an excuse that they couldn't do this, is when you wake up, alarm goes off, or whatever, kids wake you up, whatever it is, just lay there. Just don't move for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 5 minutes. Take what you need, but just close your eyes, get really centered, and make a list of as many things as you can rapidly think of to be absurdly grateful for. It can be people, it can be places, it can be the gift of waking up, it can be that it's sunny outside, it can be that it's rainy outside, it can be that you get to go to work, it can be that you have really amazing coworkers like I do, it can be that you love your children and you get to go play with them at breakfast time, it can be that you love school and you can't wait to go learn more. But whatever you can do to get yourself in an attitude of gratitude, do that before you get up. Then you go about your day, find different little ways to be grateful, to say thank you, and then before you go to bed, same thing. Kiss those loved ones, snuggle into that pillow, close your eyes, get centered, and go on another rant and say, oh my gosh, I am so grateful for da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da, and see how long your list really is. I'm grateful for you guys. I'm grateful for social media. I'm grateful for YouTube. I'm grateful for the opportunity to get to sit here and do something like this where I really do feel like I'm making new friends and getting to put a lot of good out when we can make the excuses that it's bad on social media or it's bad everywhere. I love the Gary V. There's another G. Didn't even think about that. Gary in the, oh my gosh, you guys, go follow everything this guy does. And he's really kicked it up because he's all about gratitude and he's all about kindness. So shout out Gary V. But greens, gratitudes, a little bit of Gary V, and your days are going to be so much brighter. So I'm excited about this week. I actually made this one wildly in advance because it's so easy. It's so easy, it's so delicious, and it's so beautiful. So thank you for playing along with me. Please share down there. If you like this, please put in the comments, greens and gratitudes. Please tag your favorite green supplements, green foods, green places, your favorite gratitude rituals. Share it with me. I don't pretend to have all the answers. This is all about playing along. So jump in there, share your goodness with me, and I'll be right back next week. We're gonna take it to the letter H. I love you. I appreciate you. You go have a green and grateful day.